What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Zoro. Okay, so today we are going to draw Rorona Zoro from One Piece. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 6 centimeters, and without further ado, we are going to start by drawing Zoro's face. We'll start with the jaw and then draw the hairline and his sideburn. Next, we're going to use this guideline to help us draw Zoro's eyes, but first we'll draw the nose by using 3 lines and 1 more line for the nostril. Next, we're going to draw the eyebrow, so we'll start with a little wrinkle and then 3 lines to create the eyebrow, 3 diagonals. Next, we'll draw the eyelid, following up with the eyelashes. As you can see, this is Zoro's closed eye. And then we are going to draw the left eye by using the same steps, only this time this eye will be open. And we'll do that by drawing 3 curves underneath, adding the iris at the center but closer to the right side. Then we are going to draw the mouth by using 2 lines, 2 curves of course. Next, I'm going to refine the jaw a bit. Then we are going to refine the forehead, and then we'll draw his famous scar. Just like that. Next, we're going to draw Zoro's ears. So first, we'll start by drawing the shape of the ear. As you can see, I'm using 3 lines for that, and then we'll add the details inside. We'll do the same for the left side, although the left side will appear a bit smaller because of the angle. Awesome! Next, we are going to draw Zoro's hair. So first, we'll start by drawing 2 spikes of hair right there. Next, we are going to use this guideline to help us keep the right proportions, the same symmetry for the rest of the hairs. As you can see, I'm drawing the spikes by using 2 to 3 lines. And next, we'll add some more spikes of hair inside. And we'll finish up with his famous 4 spikes on the front. Awesome! Next, we are going to draw Zoro's neck and his trap muscles. After that, we are going to use this guideline to help us draw the torso. As you can see, I'm drawing a rough shape of the torso. I'm crossing it in the middle, and then we are going to draw Zoro's gi. We'll start with his robe, adding creases along the way. Next, we are going to refine the muscles, so we'll draw his neck muscles again by using some curves, and then draw the chest by using 3 lines. Next, we're going to draw the famous scar on Zoro's chest, and we'll draw some straight lines along the scar. We're going to add his Adam's apple, refine the trap muscle, and to finish up the sketch, we'll just add Zoro's 3 earrings. As you can see, it divides to 3 parts, just like that. Awesome, so we are going to get rid of all the unnecessary guidelines. And now we are going to continue with the inking process. Make sure to grab your black color pencil, sharpen it so it can be sharp and smooth, and then just go all over the lines. You can do that by pushing lines or by pulling lines. And to make it more comfortable, please make sure to rotate the page so you can have your NHM, your natural hand movement. Awesome, once we are done with that, we can start the shading process. For this process, we'll use an HB2 pencil, but before that, I'm going to take the mechanical pencil and mark all the shaded areas, so we'll shade them later on. This process is called cell shading. It's what they do in 2D animation. And for this drawing, the main light source will come from the left side, which means that the shaded areas will be on the right side. Awesome, so once we are done with that, you can grab your HB2 pencil, you can even use a B pencil or use your mechanical pencil. We are going to start by shading the darkest areas, and as you can see, for that I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip. That way I can apply more pressure on the pencil, and by adding more layers I'm getting a much darker tone, and of course make sure to shade in the direction of the shape. Next we are going to shade the brightest areas, and for that, as you can see, I'm holding the pencil closer to the eraser. That way I can apply less pressure and therefore get a brighter tone. If you're wondering why I switched up the pencils, it's just because this one started to get too small, so I want to grab a longer pencil. And next, we are going to grab the black color pencil for the most shaded areas, for example, right below the jaw. Awesome, so we are going to do the same process for Zoro's face. Again, starting with the shaded areas we marked before, shading in the direction of the shape. Then we'll move on to the brighter tone, applying less pressure. And then we are going to color the iris with the black color pencil. Awesome, and we'll do the exact same process for his robe. As you can see, I'm using a blank piece of paper, so I won't smear any of the lead and ruin the drawing. I'm gonna go all over the scar again to make it more bold, and then we can move on to shade the hair. So as you can see, I'm marking the shaded areas and then filling them up with the same process we did before. Now Zoro's hair is light greens, so I don't want to apply too much pressure on the pencil, still maintaining that bright look. Next, if you guys want to add a nice highlight, you can just use the eraser, and by just erasing it, we create the illusion of light. And we are done, everybody! This is how you draw Zoro from One Piece. Please let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, and tell me which One Piece character would you like me to draw next. Is it Luffy, Nami, Ace maybe? Comment down below, make sure to like this video to support my channel, and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos, new tutorials every week. That's it for today, keep being awesome as always, thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.